Very good evening, friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the for loop and the while loop. So the for loop syntax goes like this: for I in range 100 print I like the number I. Now you run the code. So here you see the output. It goes like the number 1, number 2. You can also make it look like this: X is range, and range generally takes three values: start and stop and steps. So start, suppose I want it to start from the value 10, go to 100 with the steps of 5. Then here I write for I in X. It simply goes like this: for I in X. Now yes, I hope it's clear now. X is range 10. This is the starting point, this is ending point, ending number, and this is the step by step. So now let's see how it works. Here it goes. So it started with 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and it's moving till 95. If you want to make it 10, then also it will work. It can start from any value and can end to any value, and the steps also are always under your control, whatever you desire. So suppose in this program I just try to say that if I want to write the mathematical table of a certain number, then I can say starting from 1 till it goes to 11, step of 1. Then there I write, I'll ask the user to enter the numbers. So I write a is int input enter the number, users enters in the number stored in A. Now I have run the loop from 1 to 10, steps of 1. So X will be having the values from 1 to 10, steps of 1. So if I multiply this number I, because I is going for I in X, means I will be having the value from 1 to 11. So I just write here I into A. So it just like it becomes, now see, so I enter the number 11 and see its table goes like 11 ones are 11, 22, 33, 44. So it is just like, if you do not want this, then also it will show error, because let's check, knowing about the error is also a good thing. Now it doesn't show. So 12, 24, 36, this way you can use the for loop. Now if I have to loop while loop, then what I do, so the while loop syntax goes like while condition. This condition is just relational statements, statements having some relational operators, and it analyzes the condition, checks the condition first. If the condition, which is always logical in nature, true or false, if it is true, then only the statements will be executed, or you can say you'll get into the body of the loop. So if I say that for I less than 10, then first I have to declare what is I. Then here write I equals 1, then I less than 1, then I say print I. So it will print the value of I definitely initially. So now you have to increment the value of I. So I'll write I equal to I plus 1, or you can also use the shorthand operation. This is I plus equals 1, both are same thing. I plus equals 1 is I equal to I plus 1. Now you run the loop and see what happens. So it goes from the 1 to 10. Now if you make it 11, or you can keep it 10 only but make it less than or equal to. In that condition also it will go till equal condition, so it just goes like this. So now if I say that I want to run a loop, so suppose the program goes like, if user want you to enter I love Python 11 times or 20 times, then you can write x equal to int input number of times, and then you write here I is equal to x, and then print that many times I love Python number 1 str I means this I is actually integer values because it is storing the integer value. So I'm concatenating, this is a string, so when you are concatenating a string with integer it's not possible because string can be concatenated only with the string. So I have to typecast this integer I to the string value, and that's why I have written str. This is another type of Python variables which converts any number to its respective string. So now this is string stri, and this is string which is in double quotes I love Python. Both are concatenated and the new string is generated, that is printed. Now just check it out. So number of times I say 100 times. Now here it goes, I love Python 100 times. This is how the loop works. For loop and while loop are more efficient in some collection type of variables of the Pythons, which we will be discussing in the next video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, keep on practicing well. If you have any doubt you can write in the comment. We also introduce online sessions where you, with the help of Zoom or Google Meet, we can share the screen and step-by-step guidance you can get, so that you can just practice with us, and in couple of hours, maybe around 20 hours, you will be a very good Python programmer. We will teach you the syntax, but it's always the case that after knowing the syntax, if you lack the mathematical abilities, it will not be that useful. So you have to develop the mathematical concept also. However, Python works in the machine language, it also works in designing the animations, and it works in changing the graphics also. So it has a lot of scope, lot of libraries are made, so you can work in them. Till now, stay healthy and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.